I built this tool today that is like all server side. So if you can just type in the DataX MCP, you can now say update document with variable. It's like a special tool in the DataX MCP, and we'll go through. The AI will just say the AI will read the footer, 30,000 word footer, pull out all the variables. Let's say it's like client name, date, company name, whatever. It'll make a map. So it'll map all the variables on one side, and the other side will put all the words that it's supposed to be. It'll push that to some JavaScript code that we have written on our server to replace everything in that document with 100% accuracy. So the AI doesn't have to like
Wow.
chance it by like some hallucination. It's also like Steve came up with a really cool use case, and I was like, we could probably figure this out. It took about 2 days to build it, so it was kind of complicated. But it's like it'll help him so much, and that just turns him into like he already loves us, I hope, and so it just turns into like a bigger raving fan of ours.